immunity boosting with freshly ground spices. Today's recipe is a South Indian style hot peppery drumstick vegetable dal, Poricha Kuzhambu. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. To prepare the dal, take 100 grams of Toor Dal. This dal is unpolished with some skin on it. Try and buy unpolished dals as it has added nutrients with the skin providing the much needed dietary fibre. They also add texture to the food. Wash in water and soak for a minimum of 30 minutes. I have soaked for 2 hours. Soaking makes the nutrients more available to the body. To a cooking pot, add the soaked Toor Dal. When the dal is cooked this way, the aroma and flavors are just great, and as it is soaked, it gets cooked faster. Add some water. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed sesame oil. Switch on the stove. Allow the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, stir well. Toor Dal is rich in iron, folic acid, calcium, magnesium, vitamin B and potassium. The fibre, protein and complex carbohydrates in Toor Dal aid in diabetes management, in reducing cholesterol and also in weight loss. Reduce the flame and allow it to cook. Close partially with the lid, as if closed fully, the water will spill over. While the Toor Dal is getting cooked, let us prepare the vegetables. Cut the drumstick into medium-sized pieces. Take around 10 to 12 broad beans. Wash, remove the ends and thick fibre if any from the sides. Cut into pieces of around 1 inch. We will need 1 medium-sized piece of ridge gourd. Remove the skin. Do not discard it. This skin has lots of nutrients and can be used to prepare chutney. Cut into medium-sized pieces. I'm cutting 1 more drumstick. If you do not want to use mixed vegetables, you can use more of any one of these vegetables. These are all country vegetables and go very well with this preparation. Let us check the dal now. The dal is 80% done. At this stage, add the drumstick and the other cut vegetables. Stir. Add more water if required. Close the lid and allow to cook. While the vegetables are getting cooked, to prepare the masala, to a fried pan, add 1 tablespoon of couscous or poppy seeds. Dry roast until they turn slightly brown in color. Transfer to a mixer jar. To the same pan, add 1 heaped tablespoon of split black urad dal. Fry for a few seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper and 2 red chilies. The spice in this dal is from the black pepper. Black pepper is rich in vitamin C, A, and has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. Fry until it changes color. Transfer to the mixer jar. Add 1/4 cup of coconut pieces. As I had dry coconut or copra, I am using it. You can use fresh coconut. Dry grind all the ingredients first. Then add water and grind to a fine paste. The vegetables along with the dal are well cooked now. Add the freshly ground masala to the dal vegetable mixture. Wash the mixer jar and add the water. Check the consistency. If it is thick, add some warm water. Add salt as required. Mix. As couscous is added to this gravy, it tends to thicken, so adjust the consistency accordingly. Allow it to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes and switch off the stove. To season, take 2 medium-sized onions and cut into cubes. Heat a fry pan, add 3 teaspoons of any cold-pressed oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seed starts sputtering, add 1 teaspoon of split black urad dal. Fry for a second and add 1 tablespoon of crushed onion vadagam. Onion vadagam is made with onion and spices and sun-dried. Fry until it turns crisp and add the chopped onions. Fry until the onions turn translucent. And add the fresh curry leaves. Switch off the flame. Mix and add the seasoning to the prepared vegetable dal curry. Mix well. A piping hot, immunity-boosting, peppery drumstick vegetable dal is ready. Serve it in a bowl along with hot rice, the seasoning, and warm ghee. Enjoy hot. Thank you for watching, and let me know your feedback in the comments section below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting recipe.